everyone, welcome back to another home related update. I am so excited for today's video because I finally get to continue the homeowner series. So much has happened and we've done so much to the house already, but I do want to share everything in order. So today I am going to start with basically all the outdoor lights. We got a bunch of lights like you guys saw from my Amazon haul, as well as prepping the basement for painting because we are leading into, finally, after living here for 4 months now, officially painting. So let's get started with today's vlog. Another day, another house project. Today we are going to finally install our new front door lanterns, I guess you could call them. We're replacing these right here, which are pretty nice, you could say, but I wanted a more modern look and touch to them, so I found these, I believe, at Bed Bath & Beyond. I'll link them down below for you guys, and also our little DeWalt. But look how nice the front planters look now. I love it. It's so cute. We are planning on painting this like mark or frame black, probably, just because it's really old, and then eventually we're going to be replacing it with, I don't know how you call those, like a little gazebo, I guess. There's a name for it, but can't really think about it right now. But yeah, love it.
We out here. Another day project.
We're also going to be installing these today, or I guess just placing them around the front yard. We also got these, which are, I guess, like the spotlights, and they're all solar. I'm going to link them all down below for you guys. However, we need more, so we have to go to Home Depot and purchase the lights that will go inside of these and more of these. It's huge.
Good.
Oh my god, it's so big. Something that I heard about designers and basically how to make your house look more expensive and updated is purchasing your lanterns a lot bigger than you expect or would assume. So these, I believe, were 18 originally, and then the ones that we got are 24. So
upgrade, baby.
I didn't know these came separately. The glass, that's gonna be interesting. Hopefully Art doesn't break it. Oh my god, it has gold.
Oh yeah.
I love that.
Cool, right?
Yeah. So something that everyone needs to know about Eric is that he
First of all,
never reads instructions.
First of all, it's a light fixture.
Then he tells me, he's like, there's no instructions anywhere. I'm like, check the box.
What do we need the instructions
It couldn't
for?
be
Just
more,
to be clear.
it couldn't be more clear.
Just to be clear,
it
we didn't need
be.
the instructions because I didn't know how to put it in. We needed the instructions to find the light bulb size.
Okay.
So this is designed so that if the hole's too big, these little window things, these little wings will pop out and grip the wood behind it.
Yeah.
But they all popped off. This is the story of our house right here. Look at that. How is that circular? Like, bruh. Look at the notches on it.
So the previous doorbell was actually here, which if you pay attention, right, there's a huge brick stump here. Who's that short to, like, well, we are pretty tall in this household. But anyways, a camera would not even capture a face at all. So I don't get it. I don't get it.
Good news.
What?
We know the light bulb size.
Is it that one?
Sure is.
Alright, on to the next project. We are officially going to be changing these lanterns or light right here to a more of a farmhouse style, which is not really my style, but I think it's going to work perfectly for this side of the house because of the shape and also that window, which we might paint eventually. But this is the current look of our lights right now. And then these are the new ones. They look like this. They're so big. Again, it's always better to go bigger, I think. But we also got rid of a lot in here. Better said we moved it, but we put all of our wedding gifts right here, and then all of the Amazon packages that I need to unbox tomorrow.
might say I am afraid, but I just do things my own way. I don't know why, guess I don't like people pleasing. And sometimes they don't see what defines me, but I don't need them honestly, cause I got you. Everybody else makes me feel.
The lights that originally were a part of the house, the plate in the back is too small for the light that I got now. We ended up finding this.
Just put it right over the top.
And hopefully we can put it right over
And lost, but you're not like everybody else at all. You're the only one who makes me talk and walk so tall. Cause you're not like everybody else at all. You're everything everyone else is like. You're not one of those who judge before they know somebody. I just feel at home. Yeah,
This is what it looks like. You got this one to go. One right here.
Never
and
stressing
then there's another
anybody.
one that
That's
goes
just how
over
I
there.
roll. Yeah. Some people might say I am afraid, but I just do things my own way. I don't know why, guess I don't like people pleasing. And sometimes they don't see what defines me, but I don't need them honestly, cause I got you. Everybody else makes me feel small and dark and lost, but you're not like everybody else at all. You're the only one who makes me talk.
Hello everyone. On to our next project. We have our sauna and our treadmill, which we're buying to set up a home gym in the basement. And before we set them up, we want to paint these walls. Our idea for this room is going to be like a hybrid theater, movie theater, home theater, where we do like a couch here, projector there, and then kind of like a hybrid home gym situation over there. So I ordered a squat rack, a treadmill, and a sauna on the left. And I mapped out the relative sizes in the blue tape, and all of those have arrived, and we want to set them up. But we can't because we want to paint this something dark, because we figured kind of like a movie theater vibe would be darker walls. So we're going to prep this room to paint, and then we get to set up all our fun stuff. We still have to buy the couch and the projector, but we have the exercise equipment, which we wanted to get out of the way soon so that we could start going to the gym. And I'm going to put down some paper and some plastic now so that we can prep and paint.
What's the angle? I'm not playing that game. It's the same business with a different name. Who's the target? Sorry, I'm not in the market. If I quit buying, you can't sell me anything. No thanks, I'll pass. I don't.
Alright, so this is the current state and look of the basement. Eric went ahead and actually patched up everything that needs to be covered and fixed before painting. When he filmed this video, it was actually in slow motion, so I'm going to go over everything again, but basically he went ahead and covered the entire floor with plastic and paper and tape. The sauna is going to go here. The treadmill is going to go here, and then the squat rack is going to go there. Now, for the chimney, this is the part that I'm a little concerned and I don't know, like confused about, because this room we want it to be moody and dark, and basically we ended up going with this color right here, which is chimney. It's like a deep blue. This one is a dark green, and then this one is a blue-black color, which I feel like it's too dark. It is a beautiful fireplace, and it's honestly the main reason why we love this house so much. So we want to basically make it a statement. So what I'm thinking is painting this the same color as the wall, and this the same color as like the rest of the walls, and then the center, basically the 3D frame of the fireplace, I want it to be like a lime wash paint specifically for brick so that it's breathable. I have this brand in mind right now. I just don't know if it's going to be fully like covered because I don't want it to be super washed out, even though I know lime wash it's supposed to be, but I want it to be opaque and basically fully covered. The only thing is I don't know which color to go for that can work with the navy blue. They have different shades of whites and creams, so I think I might go for this like creamy shade. That way it's not super opaque and white, and it still works nicely with the navy that the room is going to be. So yeah, pretty much that's the gist of the basement. We're going to be adding the railing here, and as you can see, he patched up all of this. I don't know what color to paint the bathroom. This is not something we're going to be working on anytime soon, but I think it should be a nice deep color as well. By the way, this has come so in handy. I'm going to link it down below for you guys, and I'm going to try to see if I can link all the tools that we use. He has this nail gun, the wood spackle, some sanders, caulk, and like the actual caulk machine thing, not machine, the handle. I also got the ceiling light for this room, which I'm not fully sold on. They're both the same, and as you can see, this one is different and that one is different, so I might want to do like different ceiling lights so that it can divide the room nicely, because that side is going to be the gym and then this side is going to be the movie room. But yeah, long story short, this is the before. Today is finally the day that I am going to be working on this room. I know, it's a crazy mess, but this is basically my closet right now. We each have a guest room, so this one's mine. This one is Eric's. Clearly we have a lot of stuff, but until we finish remodeling the closet, this is going to be the current situation. So I've decided to officially organize these two closets and shelving with the stuff that I just use more frequently. So I'm going to quickly clean this out, as well as this in here. It's actually a really nice closet. There's a lot of space. So this one, I can just hang coats. I can also hang stuff here that are a little bit shorter, fold some clothes and fold more clothes here, or put shoes. And I also have this IKEA storage organizer that I can probably organize stuff in here. I wonder where the shelves are. Yeah, I have my luggage filled with clothes, and then all of the boxes I've been opening up little by little, just finding things that I need. And I now want to know where everything is, and it's a lot. So let's get started.
Come pick me up, cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah. I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I won't see your face wherever I look. I'm blinded by the light.
I literally to God knows how much dust and Lysol. Look how dirty this rag is. Can't even. But there's this wire in this closet that I have no idea what it's for. I'm assuming it's like for cable, but we don't use cable, so I might just cut it. I just don't know if that's the safe thing to do. I'll wait until Eric deals with it. I'm honestly so glad that I decluttered before moving because it just makes putting things back a lot easier. Plus I also packed everything with hangers. This coat, however, is new, so I didn't have one before.
Whispers in my head, what you gonna do? 선택의 기로에 난 지켜내려 해. 쉽지 않아도 진실한 나만의 beliefs. You know what they say, don't brag about what you have. Be careful and be humble, otherwise you should be ready to stumble. You know what they say, 자신감이 없니? 왜 당당하게 살지를 못해? Keep walking your way, don't look back. 너만의 길이야. Even when you fall, don't look back. 사실은 말이야. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. 'Cause it's only yours. Only yours, yeah. 쏟아지는 말 이미 어지러운 이 세상 속에서 어둠 속의 light 붙잡아 진실한 나만의 beliefs. 차가운 바람 그득하니 앉아 내 마음속에 새겨둔 작은 위로를 또 꺼내야 하나. 우울함의 파도를 가라앉혀. But when you feel like giving up, remember, keep walking your way, don't look back.
Oh god. You've gotten so big already. Say, I love to be carried still. It's my favorite thing ever. And it is snowing. Good morning. It's a snow day today. Come on. Come on. Put your coaties on. Good boy. Sit. Good sit. Good sit, Bobby. You are so good. You are the best.
Good boy! Who loves the snow more than you, Hudson? His coat is already getting too
Feel
small.
like a stone in a well. No one can find me here. Pretending it's not it all end, so I can just stay in here. You know what's even worse? It's me who made you